Hello students, myself Nitin Kare. I am going to teach you mathematics for polytechnic students. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe it. Today I am going to teach basic mathematics for first year polytechnic and my topic is determinant. Now the first chapter is determinant. So students, first we see the definition of determinant. What is determinant? Determinant is nothing but the arrangement of elements in the form of row and column between the two bars. Now here I am denote determinant is D. These are the two bars and these are the element. So this is row, that is row 1. This is row 2. Okay. After then, this is called column. So how many row and how many columns are there? So we have to put down the order, number of rows into number of column. So that means here we get order, number of row is 2 and number of column is 2. So this is the order of the determinant, or we have to say that determinant order. Okay. So in such a way we have to learn different types of determinant having different order. Now here we see the determinant of 2 by 2 order, and just to remember one thing, in determinant the number of row is equal to number of column. In determinant, number of rows is equal to number of columns. Okay. Now, here we see the method first one, 2 by 2 determinant. A1, A2, A3, A4. Here the order of the determinant is 2 by 2. Now, how we simplify this determinant? So, the method is A1 into A2 minus A1 into A4 minus A3 into A2. So this is a method to solve the 2 by 2 determinant. Simplify. Okay. So in such a way, we have to find out the value of the determinant. Okay. Now, the sign position of the determinant. So before that, we have to see the another type, that is 3 by 3 determinant. So how we write 3 by 3 determinants? Matlab, that means here 3 row and 3 column. This is the another determinant having 3 row and 3 columns. That means that determinant contain that 3 row and again these 3 columns. Now we see the position of the elements where it lie. Now in this case A11, that means first row and another number indicate first column. That is first row, first column. A12, that is first row, second column. So in such a way, if we have to see the each position of each element in the determinant, so we write here A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So it indicates where it lies. Now here we have to consider A33 number. That means third row. This is a third row and third column. Here we have to consider this number, that is second row and second column. So in such a way, here each element, that is A11, shows the element lies in first row, first column. A12, that is first row, second column. A13, first row, third column. A21, that means second row, first column. A22, second row, second column. A23, second row, third column. In that case, we write down this is R1, this is R2. That means this is second row. And in this case, 1 means first column, 2 means second column, 3 means third column. Okay. Now this 3, 3, 3, what it indicates? That means this is a row 3. Now this is a first column. That's why it is 3, 1. This is second column. That is, this is 3, 2. And this is the third column. That means it is A3, 3. Now, how we decide the sign position of each element? Now, sign of each element. A11. So if we take 1 plus 1, that is 2. So here we have to say that sign positive. A12, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 3. Odd number. Just we have to write down like this way also. Even number, so we take positive sign. Odd number, so we take negative sign. In such a way, we have to continue. Suppose A13, that is 1 plus 3, that is 4. Even number, so therefore take positive sign. So when we have to take the addition of the position of the element where it lie, by using that position we have to decide the sign of each element. So in this case 1 plus 1, that is 2, even number, so it is plus. A12, that is odd number, so odd number having a negative sign, so that means this is plus, this is minus, this is again plus. So in such a way we have to write down the sign position of each element. Here we get 1 plus 1, 2, even number, so we write it plus sign. 1 plus 2, odd number, we write it negative sign. 1 plus 3, this is again even number, so it is again addition sign. 2 plus 1, that is 3, again odd number, we write down it is minus. A22, that is 4, so again we write down plus sign. Here 2, 3, 5, odd number, minus sign. 3, 1, that is 4, even number, that is plus sign. 3 plus 2, 5, odd number, minus sign. 3 plus 3, 6, that is even number. So in such a way, here we write down the sign of each element. Is it clear? Okay. How to simplify 3 by 3 order determinant. So there is a specific method to simplify 3 by 3 determinant. So again we have to consider the determinant A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Now So in that case, if we have to see the first row sign, so it is plus, minus, plus. When you simplify this 3 by 3 determinant, you have to take any row and any column. The sign is very important. How you simplify that determinant? A1. Now when you see A1, you drop that row and that column. That means you drop this row and this column. And just you write down the remaining element in the form of determinant. So that is B2, then B3, C2, C3. Okay. Like this way. You keep your hand like this way and just you have to see. Now another. What is the sign of the next element? It is minus A2. Now again A2 जिस रो में है और जिस कॉलम में है उसको ड्रॉप करो, ऐसे हाइड कर दो रो और कॉलम को. So what is the remaining element now? It is B1, B3, C1, C3. Okay. Now again, what is the sign of the third element? So it is plus sign. So again you hide this row and this column. So what remain? It is B1, B2, C1, C2. So this is a simplification of determinant by using first row. आप कोई भी रो या कोई भी कॉलम से अगर आप सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो आपका वैल्यू जो है डिटर्मिनेंट का वो सेम आना चाहिए. नाउ अगेन you take cross multiplication of these two to simplify. B2 C3 minus C2 B3 minus A2 into, again you take the cross multiplication, B1 C3 minus C1 B3, again plus A3, and here again B1 C2 minus C1 B2. So in such a way we have to simplify this 3 by 3 order determinant. So this is the theory part. Now we have to solve the examples by using this method on determinant. Examples. 3, 2, 1. 6 minus 4, 3. Now this is a determinant of 3 by 3 order. So when you simplify this determinant, first you write down the sign position of the element. So here the sign of the first element is plus, second element is say minus, third element is plus. Now how to solve? So we write down solution D. So first element, that is 4. Now as per our rule, we hidden this row and this column and write down the remaining element in the form of determinant. Now second one is minus sign for these two, so we write down minus 2. Drop this row and this column, 3, 1, 6, 3. And third, the sign of third element is plus. Drop this row and this column, so it is 3, 2, 6 minus 4. Now apply the rule for 2 by 2 determinant. 2 into 3, 6, minus of minus 4. Again 3 into 3, that is 9, minus 6 into 1, that is 6, plus 1. Again take cross multiplication, minus 12, minus 12. So take calculation. So very simple calculation. 6 plus 4 minus 2, 9 minus 6 is 3, plus 1 into minus, both are the minus, so you take addition, that is minus 24. 4, 6 plus 4, that is 10, minus 6. Now again this is a multiple sign, so plus into minus is minus, it is 24. So 4 into 10, that is 40. 24 minus 24 minus 6, there it is minus 30. So final answer is